Hi there, this is Jeff Tiemann. I'm working with one of the Allstate customers, Nicholas DETORE, and this is related to claim number 06666000846. This is an Allstate claim with a date of loss back in April of 2022. Out in front of the loss location here, here's the house number. And what we're doing in this video is we're trying to set up a, we're gonna do a shingle repairability test. Well, not quite a repair. We're gonna do an attempt to repair a shingle. There is wind damage on all of the primary slopes at this property. There were some stains on the interior which caused the homeowner to file the claim in the first place, and that resulted in some roof inspections. Apparently there's been a multiple inspections along the way. We're working with this homeowner to try to help resolve the claim. So we'll do some overviews on the roof, and then we'll get into an actual shingle repair attempt. But first I thought I would show just an example of some of the wind damage that we have here. This is right here at the edge. They do have drip edge. Felt, we can't see the felt from the edge of the roof, so it's undetermined whether there even is any felt or not. But here's a front overview. Here's the front-facing gable with the left facet. Here's an overview of the front hip extension. Here's looking down the left primary slope. We'll go over to the right primary slope as well. Give you a look at that as well. And then of course the back slope. Some general overviews. So they have a total of 8 box vents, 1 HVAC, a couple pipe boots, and 1 satellite dish mounted to the roof. The box vents do indicate some hail. We use some chalk up here just to kind of get an idea of what's going on with that. Some bigger hits on this box right here. The rain cap for the HVAC also shows evidence of hail. Let's take a look at some of the wind damage. For the wind damage counts, the front slope, we observed 3 wind damage shingles. The right slope, 3. Back slope, 3, and left slopes, 4. Some examples of that. Here's the front slope. I've tried to label them so that there's another one over here somewhere. Yeah, right here. It's a real faint line in that one, real faint, but it's there. There was the one down there near the ladder. This left gable. There's one right here at the edge. Right in there. Okay. Over here on the right slope, not sure what's happening here. We have some chinks in the corners down here. Don't know what happened to that, but we're not claiming that as damage. Here's another little area here that shows some type of impact. It's undetermined what's causing that. But as far as wind on the right slope, here's more of that right here. The shingle is loose. This shingle is a combination wind and then nail pop, which is coming through. There's a couple nails there coming through. Anyways, that one's got a pretty dominant crease in it. On the back slope, we have wind here. There's wind right here. This is the shingle we're going to attempt the repair on. You see there's a little bit of a crease right through there. Got wind damage on this one here around the pipe boot. This shingle here on the back, something's going on there. Possibly a nail pop. I do feel a nail up under there, but the nail's almost all the way down. It's got some kind of a, don't know what's happening there. Then finally on the left slope, this one here, there's another one here. Really light crease, but it's there. And there was a couple more, I think, down here by the satellite dish. This one here is a little bit more obvious. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is we're going to determine, we're not really concerned about a shingle match here. These shingles are kind of old, but whether they can even be repaired or not. So I'm doing a repair on the back slope so that it's not obvious from the street. These are the tools I'm going to use. We have a replacement shingle here. I've got a roofer's hatchet. I've got a flat bar we'll use to sort of lift out the fasteners, and to, just depending on the glue strips, depending on how aggressive they are, I like to use a really thin, delicate tool to sort of cut in there to minimize any damage to the shingle. My goal in the video is to keep the video rolling at all times and to show that there's no abusive handling going on with the shingles, and you know, see how these things end up. All right, I'm gonna go secure the camera onto a little tripod here, and again, as needed, we will take the camera from the tripod to sort of show a little bit about what's going on here. Oh, let me get back to the damaged shingle, kind of provide some overview there on that.